Hey guys, it is Monkey from Monkey Lover 101. So today I decided that I'm going to show you guys inside my backpack. Yes, you guys are probably wondering why I have my hair like this. Well, today I'm not doing anything, so I just sitting around. So yeah. So let's just get on with the video, and let me show you guys what's inside my 5th grade bag. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is my backpack and what it is and like where it's from. So where it's from is American Basics. American Basics. So, yeah. And then I have a lunchbox that goes with it, but it's just not in here because today was no school because of the storm. And so, it's just a galaxy color, and I got it at Big Lots for at least like $5, and it's pretty cheap, but expensive. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what's inside here first. So what's inside the big pocket is, I have a little jewelry boxes because, I got this ring, like a ring, I'm not wearing it right now, but I got a ring, I think Saturday, and, I'm gonna start wearing it to school, and then usually the days that I don't want to wear it, I could just put it in this box, and it's safe. So yeah. Then the next thing that I have is a Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Dark Chocolate bar, and yeah, I have 2 of those, but I don't know where the second one is. And then I have a letter from my friend. She has a very long last name. And then I have 3 artificial hand wipes from my collection. As you guys can tell, it's inside my collection. There's paper in the way because I have to do something. And then I have my pencil case, and what's inside my pencil case is my hearing aid batteries, which is just 4. I have some highlighters. So I have a hot pink, an orange tangerine, a yellow, a light pink, which is just Crayola marker, but the other day at school I needed a pink highlighter, but like an original pink highlighter, and I didn't have that one. And I had this one, but I wasn't supposed to use that. So I had to use my friend's, Isabel's. So. And then I have like color, whatever color that is. I have some Post-it notes, an owl sticky note. I wrote something, don't be gone, but be strong. And yeah. And then I have some index cards. I have a couple of pencils. I have 3 of yellow pencils, 1 lead pencil, and a and then I have some colored pencils. Which I just have a pink, red, dark green, green, blue, purple, white, blue, black, blue or purple, and brown. I thought it was like coffee brown, but it's brown. So then I have some erasers, pens. I have a green and a black one. And hardly any crayons. Which it all fits in here perfectly fine. I dropped something. Okay. Ow. Okay, so close it. So that's what I have in the first pocket, so I'm going to put everything back and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we are going to focus on the biggest thing, which I hardly have anything in here except stuff that I do need. So, first thing that I have is my binder. And it is just a purple binder that I just got at Walmart for at least $1. And it is a 2 or 3 inch, I don't know. So on the side here I have 3 stickers, which is not even in the between. So, and then in the front I have one Katy Perry sticker. And you guys all know that I love Katy Perry. And then in the back, I just have my name, which you guys can't read that. And then I have Roar, which Katy Perry. And then I have Prism, the Katy Perry album. And I just have a whole bunch of stars, hearts, and then my name. So, yeah, I don't want to say everything. And then I have 3 folders, which I have 2 privacy folders because when we have tests, my teacher, I'm not going to do any names, but my teacher, Miss Trust, she assigns, she doesn't separate us only if we're doing MCAS, but we have to do ANET. So I have the privacy folder. You guys can't read privacy folder. It says monkey 206 with stress, whatever. And then I have privacy folder again, and it says monkey 206 with stress. And this was just a folder that I got from the dentist at school. Yes, we do have a dentist at school in case we lose a tooth and that. It just ripped. And then I have the park paper, 5th grade, and it just tells us feet, yards, and miles, pound and ounces and ton, fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, cubic centimeters, which we haven't learned about that, but we're going to learn about that soon. My mom's yelling at my dogs. And liter, gallon, quart, pint, and cup. Yeah, and then I have my homework folder, which just says mail and homework in green. And I have the same one, but I took it off with duct tape. So I have nail art duct tape, dollhouse duct tape, zebra print duct tape, and more of that duct tape. The nail art, and then I have donut duct tape over here in the bottom, and then it just says Katy Perry right here. Katy Perry, you guys may think it's it says Katy Perry, and then I crossed it out polished with donut duct tape. I was thinking about what kind of duct tape it was. And then I drew a emoji of the mountain thing. And then I just did some smiley faces with the 2 O's. So then this is the last thing I have. So I have some magazines because morning through afternoon it gets so loud in the bus and so boring in the bus, especially bad weather. Like you have to stop, wait for the person to go, stop. And it's just so annoying because like I was late one day for school just because of the bad weather, and it was the first day back from the vacation of the bad weather. And then yeah, so then for morning I have the American Girl the Wonder Holidays. I know this was for last year, but this was the only American Girl magazine that I could find in my room, but I have more magazines over there. It's like a whole bucket of magazines. And then so this is Samantha, right? Yeah, it's Samantha, I think. So I just have that for morning. And then for afternoon, because usually it is a wreck because everyone's leaving school, everyone's leaving work, everybody's leaving all that. So yeah. And you have stop, beep, stop, speed, whatever. So I'm the fourth one off the bus. It takes a minute just to drop off one person. 2 or 3 minutes. Just drop off one person. So, yeah. Then I have the Doll of the Year, Grace magazine. So that's Grace. If you guys can't tell, she's from somewhere, and she visits France or Paris, and yeah, Paris, and okay, so that's all was inside my backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The next video will be uploaded in like an hour, and it's gonna be my makeup routine. So bye guys, keep loving monkeys just the way they would do to you. Bye.